Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have already learned about how to convert a decimal number into binary number. By dividing it with 2, we can convert the part which is before fraction, or if a number is without fraction, you can simply divide it with 2 and you can convert it into a binary number. And the number which is with decimal, so after the fractional part or the fractional part, you can multiply with 2. Now this time we have to understand how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. So I'm taking the same example so that you can check also. I am taking the same digit 11011001. I have to convert this number into uh, decimal number now. So here I have taken the same number 11011001 and I'll convert it into a decimal number. Similarly, for the fractional question also, I have taken the same question 32.61. This is 1 and 5 times 0 dot 1001. 1 5 times 0 dot 1001. This number has to be converted into decimal number now. Let's start with a normal number without fraction. So if you have to convert a binary number into decimal number, for that you need to start writing all the digits of the number into different boxes like this, starting from backside. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, right? Let's adjust these numbers. Okay. Now we have to multiply all these numbers with 2 raised to power. Starting from the back side, we'll always do. We have to multiply it with 2 raised to power 0. So here I'm putting a multiply sign. Now here we have to multiply it two raised to power 0, right? So I'm putting 2 raised to power 0. Now starting from the back side, this number will be multiplied by 2 raised to power 0. The digit before this digit will be multiplied with 2 raised to power 1, then 2 raised to power 2, then 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5, and 2 raised to power 6. Let us find out the answers of 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all. So for this, you can learn this table simply. 2 raised to power 0 is 1, 2 raised to power 1 or 2 raised to power any number raised to power 0 is always 1, irrespective of whatever the number. 3 raised to power 0 is also 1, 4 raised to power 0 is also 1, 5 raised to power 0 is also 1. All the numbers raised to power 0 is always 1. Next is 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 raised to power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. I can also explain it. Write it like this: 2 multiplied by 2. Next number is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Next number is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by multiply by 2, multiply by 2, 5 times. Next is 6 times 2 multiply by 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 2. Next 7 times 2 multiply by 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 2. This is only 2 and this is nothing. So this table also you can learn. 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 4 is 16, 2 raised to power 5 is 32, 6 is 64 and 7 is 128. Okay, most of the time you will not get a number greater than this number. So let's start now. 2 raised to power, I told you that any number raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Now 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 multiply by 0 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So here also we can directly write 0. Here also we can directly write 0. Now let's check this one. 2 raised to power 3 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So it means this is 8. And 2 raised to power 5 is 32 and 2 raised to power 6 is 64. Now you have to do the addition of all these numbers. 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 1, which is equal to, like I'm also applying the formula here so that you can check that I'm doing only the calculation, the addition. 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 1, which is equals to 105. Let's check now. Here also it was 105. So this is the decimal conversion of this number, binary number. So here the result is 105. This is how we can convert the binary number to decimal number. How we did? We have to multiply, we have to write all the numbers like this in different cells, and then you have to multiply with 2 raised to power 0 starting from the back side. So 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then whatever the numbers you are getting here, you have to add all those numbers to get an answer, right? Now let's do this question. We will write, this is decimal. Here we will be writing the numbers before decimal, and here we will be writing the numbers after decimal. So before decimal, we have first 5 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then we have 1. 5, 0, and then 1. And after decimal, we have 1, 0, 0, then 1. Right? Okay, now let's again put a multiplication sign here. Here also. And here we have to multiply it with 2 raised to power 0. And we have to multiply the next digit with 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, here we have to multiply it with, now after the decimal, we have to multiply with 2 raised to power minus 1. So 2 raised to power minus 1 this time. Right? So first number will be multiplied with 2 raised to power minus 1, then 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 3, and 2 raised to power minus 4. Okay, now let's solve this. 2 raised to power 0 is 1, but 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. So all these digits will be 0 only because we have to multiply every number with 0. Right? Okay, and 2 raised to power 5 is 32. 32 multiplied by 1 is 32 only. So here we can write 32. So the number which we are getting before decimal is 32. And the number which we are getting after decimal, let's check that. Okay, can I write 2 raised to power minus 2 as 1 upon 2? Yes, we can also write it like 1 upon 2. And 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 is 1 upon 2 only. Now, this could be written as 2 raised to power minus 2 could be written as 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. So here we will write 0 directly. Now, this is 2 raised to power minus 4 is like 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So 2 raised to power minus 4 will be 1 upon 16. Right? So now we have to do the addition. Now this is your choice. Either you want to add 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 16 first, or you want to divide them separately and then you can add. In both the cases, answer will be same. So what I am doing is, first I am dividing. This will become 0.5. It will remain 0, then 0. And 1 divided by 16 is 0.06. This is 0.06. Now we have to do the addition of 0.06 and 0.5. I'm directly showing you the answer here by putting a formula equals to 0.5 plus 0.06, which is equals to 0.56. It will not exactly match with the answer which you have converted from binary to decimal, because here it is 61. Because why it is not matching with this number, because ये वाला question भी हमने completely solve नहीं किया था. We have stopped our calculation after 4 digits. We can further increase this calculation also, but we have stopped after 4 digits. So if we will do the proper calculation till the end, then only you will get a correct answer. So right now here I am getting, but it doesn't matter if you are not solving, you can solve it till 4 digits only. But here now we are getting 0.56, which is closer to 0.61. So it's a correct answer. Now right here, 32.56. This is the answer. 32.56. Right? So what we did, the numbers which we have before decimal, we have to multiply those numbers with 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the numbers which we are having after the decimal, we have to multiply those numbers with 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 3, and 2 raised to power minus 4. And then you can perform your calculation. You can also take the LCM first of these two numbers for addition, and then you can do the division. So that is your choice how you wanted to do. Answer will remain same in both the cases. Right? I hope it is clear to everyone how to convert a binary number to a decimal number.